Hi guys, I catch somewhere as I was crossing and stuff was supposed to see.
Go away from the barrier.
Hangman!
Whoa!
Sorry, buddy.
It's okay. Get away from the barrier. Man!
Again, man!
There we go, now time is 14:32 on Wednesday the 15th of August 2018. And it's for the 14:35 to Lima 57, a River Trains rail service from Cardiff Central to Myseg. And the 14:33, 1 Whiskey 64, a River Trains rail service from Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly. We've got two trains approaching.
Double stay, is it okay? This will be for your 14:30, I think. What's my stag or something?
14:35 to my steg and 14:33 to my steg and 14:33 to Manchester Piccadilly.
I don't know. And I'm here with 15250 channel. He is a YouTuber, by the way. He's just someone I've just met just now, and I thought I'd meet you here today, so it's a very good pleasure to have you on my channel. I promise I'll shout you out. If you do you know a guy called South Coast Level Crossings?
Yes.
Tell him that he filmed our car at St. Pagan's, because I remember doing this on the 1st of the 20th of January. I remember coming here like, and I think we've got probably
I came here on the 20th of January and I saw an 800 here.
Yeah, I've seen your Ponson videos. Get him away from, oh, my mother's just texted. Get him away from the barrier. My mother's just texted him now. Get off me. Well, 15250 channel's doing it.
Right.
Hang on, we've got,
Oh, here comes Carmarthen to Manchester.
thanks, buddy.
Working.
Got a 175 coming now.
Right. Mother's going to
Come on the bridge, buddy.
in a minute.
What's your name? Alfie, is it? I'll tell out the number.
Go on then.
175 007. 175 007 to Manchester Piccadilly and we're staying. This is to Lima 57 from Cardiff to Myseg.
So my said again, so it'll be coming from that way again.
Yeah, that way.
My first time actually doing it with a proper YouTuber, because I'm really proud of myself. Oh, are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Good.
Are you off now?
Okay, it should be leaving now. Okay.
Oh, we got a 150 coming.
Nice.
Oh, stop at the station.
Yes, Myseg trains always stop at the station.
Yeah.
Here
What's that?
she is.
Stop.
We've got 15281. Thank you. 15281 to my stag and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.